Hello students, I hope you all are fine at home. It is my fourth video of SST of class 3rd. Today I am going to give you the answer of test paper which was given in previous video and also the question answer of lesson 2 and 3. So students, let us start with the answers of test paper. See, first question was, what does a family mean? The answer is, a family is a group consisting of two parents and their children living together as a unit. Second question was, write in brief about the birth of sibling in your family. Then answer is, birth of a sibling brings lots of happiness in a family. And the next question was, right or wrong. First was, marriage is a function of joyous celebration. It is right. Then second, working parents maximize the financial stress. It is wrong because working parents minimize the financial stress. Now see the third question. In third question there were fill in the blanks. In first fill in the blanks you will fill institution. In second it will come nuclear family. Then in question number 4 matching were there. See the matching: grandparents, joint family, division of work, working parents, marriage, a colorful celebration, parents and their one or two children, nuclear family. And in the fifth question fill the missing letters. When you will fill the missing letters, family and marriage word you will get. So students, from this answer key you can match your answer, and dear parents, you are also requested to give marks according to this answer key. Now students, please be ready with your notebook and your pencil. Just write the question answer of chapter 2. See the first question, what is lifestyle? How has it changed for people? Then here is the answer. Lifestyle is the way in which a person or group lives. It has changed for people in many ways, such as changes in food, work, clothes, houses and school. Now see the question number 2. India is also diverse in terms of food. How? Answer. Indian food is heavily influenced by religion and cultural choices. North Indian people prefer roti, parathas and a vegetable dish. People of Western India prefer dhokla and milk. Southern and Eastern Indians also have different choices of food. Third, give examples of temporary and permanent houses. First, temporary houses, huts, houseboats, tents, igloos, etc. Permanent houses, bungalow, flats and multi-story buildings. See the fourth question, what are the reasons of change of school? Then answer will be, the reason of change of school are parents getting transferred due to work, problems at old school. Now see the BOQs of chapter 2. First question is, why it is difficult to adopt changes? Discuss. It is difficult to adopt changes because we think of the past. We fear that after this change we would not be comfortable. See the next question. Fashion is like a craze. Explain with examples. Then its answer is, fashion is like a craze among people, as in the olden days people believed in simplicity, but nowadays people give more attention to the fashion trends. See the chapter 3. Students, you will start the chapter 3 from the next page, from the new page. See the first question, what types of roads are found in our country? Answer, there are 3 types of roads in our country. First, national highways, second, state highways and third, district roads. See the question number 2, write a short note on air transport. Answer, air transport is the fastest means of transport. It can reach the places where it is not possible to reach by roads and rails. Question number 3, what do you know about the metro rails? Answer, metro rail system is a mode of urban transport which is fast and comfortable. A metro runs within a city. Question number 4. Name the major airports and seaports of India. Answer, airports, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, etc. And seaports are Kolkata Port, Chennai Port, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Mumbai Port, etc. Now see the BOQs of the same chapter, chapter 3. First, Which means of transport is your favorite and why? Discuss. Students, this question you have to do yourself because your choice can be differ from my choice. Now see the question number 2. If a person in India wants to spend his holidays in Australia, which means of transport should he choose? Give reasons to support your answer. Then answer, he should choose air transport. It is the fastest and most comfortable means of transport. It connects different countries. Students, now your lesson 2 and lesson 3 question answers are over. Just you write in your notebook neatly and learn the chapter 2. And now, students, it is the time to say goodbye. Thank you very much.